There are 4 options to change drives using Mark 6 electronics. As you know from other Mark 6 virtual tutorials like dedicating a drive or the MPJ Plus with color display, Mark 6 software offers 4 completely independent drives. To access each of those different drives, where powered seating, ECUs, mouse, IR, or other modes could be programmed, Invacare offers 4 choices. Let's take a look. The first option to change drives is on the display or driver control. Use either the toggle or drive select switch located on the driver control to change drives. Here on the standalone display, I'll use the right and left arrows. Your second option for changing drives is using the monoport 1 or monoport 2, for a switch in the calibrations menu to be a drive select switch. To do this, go to Calibrations and either monoport 1 or monoport 2. By selecting monoport 1 and DRV or drive select, a single switch plugged into the monoport will allow the switch to directly change drives 1 through 4. With the programming changes complete on my display or driver control, successive switch activations will advance to the next drive. While in monoport 1 of the calibrations menu, I could also select mode or reset, which allows the switch to function as a reset switch to change modes from driving to powered seating or RF mouse. A stereo switch or a splitter allows port 2 to become active for programming to use, for example, as an actuator function like tilt up or tilt down. You can also use an external mode switch or reset switch and a left driver command to change drives when you turn drive select on in the Performance Adjustments menu. Just go to Performance Adjustments and Drive Select for the desired drives or all drives and turn it on. Here, with Drive Select turned on in each of the 4 drives, activating the switch will enter Drive Select mode. Each successive left driver command will now advance to the next drive with Drive Select mode still active. Activating the reset switch again, a second time will return the chair back to active driving mode in the new drive. The fourth and final option to change drives uses only a driver command and bypasses the reset switch. To do this, we have 3 steps. First, go to Performance Adjustments and choose Drive Select. Turn Drive Select on in the desired drives and Standby Select on in those same desired drives. When you turn Standby Select on, a new menu will appear, Standby Time. For this example, I'm going to change this time to 3. With your programming changes saved, after 3 seconds of no activity, the chair will enter standby mode. A right driver command will now place the chair into drive select mode, and a left driver command will move through the drives. Once landing in the desired drive, allow the chair to re-enter the standby mode, and a forward command will now re-enter the driving mode. You now know 4 unique ways to program your Invacare Power Wheelchair to change drives using Mark 6 software. Thank you for your time.